This is a tea for metabolism. And with these herbs, we are going to stabilize blood sugar, decrease sugar cravings, and improve the body's ability to burn the right kinds of fat and fuel and store the right kinds of fuel. Hibiscus. Cannot say enough good things about hibiscus, which is why my jar is almost empty. This plant is fantastic for so much of metabolic health. It is a staple for that system. A little bit of grapefruit peel. So this is a bitter plant that enhances digestion and also helps to curb cravings by being bitter. Also enhances eliminatory and immune system functions. Cinnamon, one of my absolute favorites. So I have the powder here, and you can also use the loose shavings, which I have a whole jar of. Add some shavings in there. My favorite herb for blood sugar stability. And then last but not least, green tea. I'm using decaf green tea, and I just take the bags and lose the string so you're not steeping the staple. Toss a few bags in your jug. Fill this fully with hot water. Allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes. Drink as much as you want every day and store the rest in the fridge.